What if, guys? What if you could get a motorcycle similar to the one behind me here for just $9,000 as an MSRP? Hello, my name's Kyle Bradshaw and welcome to MotoCity Powersports. Here in front of me are KTM's brand new 890 Duke and 890 Adventure motorcycles. Now, just recently, CFMoto has entered an agreement with KTM that they can now use the old school 790 motor to produce an adventure motorcycle. That's right, just this month, CFMoto has announced the 800 MT Adventure motorcycle. This is going to be the most powerful motorcycle ever produced by a Chinese manufacturer for their own brand. Now, the bike's going to be significantly different than the KTM 890 Adventure that we see here in front of us. Instead of having the low slung fuel tanks like the KTM 790 and 890 have, it's going to have more of an up-top traditional fuel tank that you see pictured here. The swing arm is going to be different, but the actual frame of the motorcycle itself will be identical. Now, before we talk about more of the specs of this machine, let's talk a little bit more about CFMoto and the value that they bring into the marketplace. CFMoto has been in the motorcycle, side-by-side, and scooter business for a really long time. Really quick, let's take a look at this Pioneer 1000 that retails for $15,899. Now let's take a quick look at this U-Force 1000 that retails for just $12,100. And the third example, this over here is the Wolverine by Yamaha, which again retails at $14,500. With an average savings of about $3,800, you can see that the workmanship of this vehicle is very close to what you're finding from the other Japanese manufacturers. So CFMoto is going to be using the KTM 790, the LC8C motor in their 800 MT Adventure motorcycle. It's going to have 95 horsepower and 57 foot-pounds of torque. The bike's going to weigh in at 509 pounds without luggage, but wet weight with luggage, we're looking at 547 pounds. This new motorcycle from CFMoto is going to feature a 7-inch color display with maps, or GPS I should say, already integrated into the system. It's going to have Bosch's cornering ABS and traction control, along with a suite of electronics including keyless start, heated grips, heated seat, and even automatic headlight dipping. So what else are you going to get for less than 10,000 US dollars? Now, suspension is a question. We don't know whether it's going to have the WP suspension that we see on the KTMs or if it's going to go KYB suspension that we see on a lot of Yamahas. Irregardless of which brand they choose, we know that it's going to have a quality suspension system on that bike. Now, another neat benefit of that CFMoto 800 MT is the fact that you're going to be able to choose cast aluminum wheels if you ride mostly on-road, or you can choose the more adventure-oriented spoke wheels if you choose to ride a lot of off-road type terrain. Again, for less than $10,000, about the same price as Yamaha's T7, you will soon be able to get a KTM-powered CFMoto 800cc motorcycle. Now, for those of you looking for maximum performance at a value price point, this CFMoto 800 MT could be the ticket. Now, question for you, would you go for a $10,000 Chinese quote-unquote motorcycle? Or would you spend the extra $4,000 to $5,000 and get the original KTM version? I'm curious, leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear what you have to think about this new prospect from CFMoto. Anyway, I'm Kyle Bradshaw from MotoCity. Please, if you like what you saw today, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to have more action like this coming directly to your inbox, please hit that subscribe button and more importantly, the notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. Until next time, and as always, take care and ride safe out there.